Hey everyone, welcome back to Analyst Sultan, where we dive into the world of digital marketing and analytics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook Pixel ID, a must-have tool for every marketer or business owner looking to track conversion and optimize Facebook ads. First off, what exactly Facebook Pixel ID? Simply put, it unique identifier for your Facebook Pixel, a tiny piece of code that you install on your website. This code tracks important actions your website visitor take, like purchase, add to cart, checkout, signups, and more. With this data, you can optimize your Facebook ads to reach the right audience and increase conversions. Now, why do you need the Facebook Pixel ID? The answer is simple. It helps to track user behavior, improve and target measure ROI, and optimize your ad performance. Without it, your ads might not be as effective as they could be. So, having this tool in place is essential for growing your business and ensure your ads are reaching the right people. How to create your Facebook Pixel ID? Alright, let's get into the good stuff. How to exactly create your Facebook Pixel ID? Follow this simple step. Firstly, need to go business.facebook.com. Then you will show this interface. Then click on connect data source. Then need to select web, connect your website to share activity that occurs online, including view content, add to cart, and purchase event. Need to click here, then click on next. Now we need to create a new data set. This helps to keep your tech activity your business cares about, so you can better target audience and help improve ad performance. Then click on add a new dataset. So firstly need to here a name for your dataset or pixel ID name. So here I type the dataset name, then click on create. Your dataset create done. You will see that shows how to connect your website. You can connect 3 steps. Use this conversion API gateway or set up it with partner integrations. I will set up manually, so click here, set up conversion API and pixel by direct integration. Some coding is required, so click on next. Now shows how to connect your website. You can connect with the conversion API or meta pixel. I want to connect this meta pixel, so select here, then click on next, then click finished. Our dataset create done. Now I need to create data sources. You will see that our modern organic store pixel ID create done. Now we need to click settings. You will see everything here. If you scroll down, I need to change some settings here. So click here, show customer information. You need to turn on this and turn off gender and date of birth. Then our setting is completed done. This is the dataset ID. Now you will get the pixel ID and code snippet. You can either manually add into your website header or use a tool like Google Tag Manager to set up it automatically. Thank you for watching everyone. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on Facebook ads, Google Tag Manager, and all things digital marketing. And hey, if you have any questions or want to dive deeper into Facebook Pixel or tracking, drop a comment below or reach out to me on WhatsApp. That's link in the descriptions. Until next time, keep optimizing, keep tracking, and as always, stay ahead of the curve with Analyst Sultan. See you in the next video.